Hi, I'm Kimberly Butcher and I work for the LSU AgCenter as an EFNEP Nutrition Agent.
And I am Ana Gouge with the LSU AgCenter as a SNAP Nutrition Agent.
Today we're going to show you how to create a quick and easy summertime dish. We will be making a zucchini quesadilla. This dish is great when you find yourself with some extra garden vegetables, especially zucchini. You will want to have some zucchini sliced thin, slivered onions, minced garlic, some grated cheese, and a floured tortilla. Start by adding some olive oil to a skillet or griddle. Add your onions and sauté until tender. Add garlic and zucchini and cook until warm. Next, reduce the heat and add a little more oil to your skillet. Place your tortilla onto the skillet and then add cheese to one side. Fill with your vegetable mixture. Add some more cheese on top and then fold over the tortilla. Let the tortilla brown and the cheese melt and then flip.
You can add some salsa and sour cream to this quesadilla. We hope that you've enjoyed this quick and easy recipe using fresh vegetables.
For more recipes and cooking tips, check out our website at lsuagcenter.com.